Today is day 5 of our Detox Your Life and today's cleaning products. So, have you ever stopped to think about what's in your cleaning products? So, let's talk about why detoxing your cleaning products or supplies is one of the best things you can do for your health and your home. The air we breathe inside our homes is often more polluted than the air outside, and cleaning products are a big culprit. Many conventional cleaners are loaded with harsh chemicals that can harm your health. If you need to wear gloves, a mask, or air out the room while cleaning, that's a red flag. Those products are likely toxic to you and your family. So here's some common cleaning products and what they contain. So some of them contain ammonia, linked to respiratory issues, bleach, a major irritant for your skin, eyes, and lungs, phthalates, found in fragranced cleaners, disrupting hormones, triclosan, a chemical in some antibacterial products that harms the environment and many can contribute to antibiotic resistance. These chemicals don't just harm your health, they also linger in the air, on surfaces, and even in your water supply. The solution? Switch to eco-friendly alternatives. Look for natural cleaning products with simple, non-toxic ingredients, or make your own cleaners using safe, affordable options like baking soda, white vinegar, and lemon. And here are a few DIY ideas. So, all-purpose cleaner, mix equal parts water and vinegar, then add a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Scrubbing paste, combine baking soda with a little water for a powerful non-toxic scrub. Glass cleaner, mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts water and a splash of rubbing alcohol. Detoxing your cleaning products doesn't just improve the air you breathe, it also protects your skin, lungs, and immune system from unnecessary exposure to toxins. Plus, it's better for the environment, and who doesn't love that? Today's challenge is simple. Go through your cleaning supplies. Read the labels. If there's a long list of unpronounceable ingredients or warnings about ventilation and protective gear, it's time to let it go. Replace those products with eco-friendly cleaners or try a DIY option. I have, it's great. And your home, your health, and your planet will thank you. So are you ready to breathe cleaner air and create a healthier home for you and your family? Let's detox those cleaning products today.